My name is Drew Kowalski. I work for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Buffalo District as a COR in the construction branch. And today we're in Dunkirk, New York, specifically the Dunkirk Harbor for the Dunkirk Breakwater repair. Dunkirk Breakwater protects the harbor from severe storms and waves and protects the shoreline against erosion. The Dunkirk Breakwater also allows for commercial vessels as well as smaller vessels to navigate the Dunkirk Harbor. The Dunkirk Breakwater was originally built from 1899 to 1933, and it is in need of structural repair due to severe storms and waves. This will be the first repair since it was originally built, so it was just damaged over time. And with this repair, we are repairing 2,000 feet of it. Now, we are repairing it with armor stone and underlayer stone. So the underlayer stone is a smaller stone that's placed on the bottom, and then armor stone is placed on top of that. The armor stone ranges from 2 to 5 tons and protects the harbor. So the contractor is using an excavator to grab these 2 to 5 ton stones and stacking them in a rubble mound fashion on the lakeward side. Work here at the Dunkirk Breakwater started at the end of July and is expected to be finished by the middle of October. Boats are still able to come in and out of the harbor as construction is ongoing. Safety is always the #1 concern on all Corps projects, so we do ask that all boaters stay a safe distance away from active construction.